Hello and welcome to my Digistore24 review. So if you're an affiliate marketer, you might be considering sign up to the Digistore24 network, or maybe if you want to start making money online and you are brand new, you're thinking of promoting products and you're not sure if using this platform is the right way to go, then you are in the right place. I personally signed up with this platform and I'd like to share my experiences with you and tell you what some of the benefits are about Digistore24 and whether or not it's a worthwhile way to go, especially if you want to get started with your own online business. And I'm also going to talk to you a bit about affiliate marketing and what are some of the best practices to get started with this business. And before we dive into this review, I just want to take this opportunity to thank you very much for checking out my video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. This channel is all about helping you to find the best possible ways to making money online. And if you would like to learn on how you can get started with making money online, please feel free to check out my video training course. All you have to do is just simply click on the link below this video and you can sign up for my free 4-day training course on how to get started with making real money online. So let's talk now about Digistore24. Alright, so what exactly is Digistore24 all about? Basically, it's an affiliate network and it originated in Germany. It's a competitor to your famous ones such as ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. Basically, it's a hub for both vendors and for affiliate marketers. What that simply means is, let's just say you're a vendor, right? And you want to promote your digital products. So what you would do is you would sign your products up with a platform like Digistore24. And then you would also get affiliate marketers who would also sign up with the same platform, but they would promote these products on behalf of the vendors. And in turn, they would earn a commission. I'm going to show you exactly what the commission structures are per products and how the layout is and all of that. But just know that one of the things that I really enjoyed about this platform is that, first of all, the sign up is extremely easy. It's a hassle-free sign up and they accept worldwide members, unlike other platforms where they restrict the access to, or maybe if you're a citizen from the US or that sort of thing. So let's check out the Digistore24 platform in more detail. Right, so here we are at the website digistore24.com, and more sales, less work for the advanced marketer. Digistore24 is an online sales platform that offers you an integrated online store and affiliate network and all common payment methods and accounting automation, including tax automation. Sign up now, it's free. More time, more revenue, more conversion, more traffic. And then there's a video detailing how the platform works, so you can check that out. But I just want to show you the sign up process to the platform. All you simply do is you just come here to the top here and you click on register now. And then you come up to the screen where it says free registration. You can profit from Digistore24 too, the most rapidly growing seller platform and affiliate network in Europe, now serving affiliates and vendors in United States English-speaking markets. Start immediately. And as I said, the sign-up process is extremely quick. All you have to simply do is you just create a username. You can sign up as a vendor and affiliate or vendor. So it's entirely up to you. And you fill in your normal credentials. You already get an automated affiliate link immediately. I'm from South Africa, so it already picks up the country that you are in. I've already signed up, so I'll take you into the dashboard area shortly. But I just want to show you that this is all that you need you to sign up. And then once you sign up, of course, you'll get an email where you have to confirm your registration. And then you are ready to promote the products. And then the other benefit about this Digistore24 network is that they accept various different methods in which you can get paid from. Like other platforms, they only do via bank transfer. There are 3 different methods that you can choose from where they can pay your affiliate commissions into. Check it out. All right, so here we are in the back office of my account. Now they pay you out on the 7th and the 21st of the month. And this is a threshold limit that they have. Once you've reached these specific threshold limits, that's when you can get a payment processed. The payment method you can choose to be paid in PayPal, the bank transfer, and international bank transfer. All right, so then once you are all successfully registered, then you are ready to choose a product, promote it, and then earn your hard-deserved commissions. All you have to simply do then is to click on the marketplace area, and then you'll see a bunch of industries that will come up, and you can choose which of the industries you would like to target, and there are various products within these industries which I'm going to show you now. They'll give you a breakdown of the commission structure of the particular product that you're interested in. You'll see what the sales page looks like and all of this other important information. So let's check that out. Okay, so here we are in my back office here, and I've clicked on marketplace already, and as I said, these are the various industries in which you can choose to promote products. For example, if I click on dating, love and relationships, then these are the various products that will come which you can promote. Is secret obsession, insane conversions, and 90%. Now if you have to click on this product and you say click on promote now, then automatically you see your affiliate link will come up here, and you can use this link and you can promote your product, and whoever clicks on the link and whoever purchases this product, you in turn will earn a commission, which in this case would be $48.90. Let's check out another niche area or industry. Okay, so I clicked on the next industry, which is business and investments, and just out of curiosity to see what is in here. As you see, they have 54 results. Look, some of the products or some of the industries may not be as much as other marketplaces, but I do believe over time they will add more products as time goes along. Now this particular product, the Next Money model, this one here you can promote, and it's 100% commission. You earn $38. The average price is $122, and then the cart conversion is 7%. I'm sure there might be upsells on this particular product. But if you want to learn more, you can just check out the sales page. This is a sales page of that product here, where it comes with discover the secret loophole that allows anyone to turn $1 into $121 almost overnight. And then there's a sales video, and I'm sure below this there'll be a call to action. Okay, so there you have it. That is what Digistore24 is all about. Is it a legit platform? Yes, I think in my opinion that it is a legit platform. But if you are thinking of making money via affiliate marketing and promoting products, then I think there's a few things that I'd like to share with you, very important things about the affiliate marketing business model. The first thing is, if you looked at that last product that I showed you, the one where you can turn your $1 into $121, look, these marketplaces might offer a range of products, but at the end of the day, it's up to you as the affiliate marketer to make sure that you know the product inside out. I'm not saying that that product is a mediocre opportunity or it's a scam opportunity. What I am saying is that make sure you've done enough research of that product before you take your affiliate link and promote the products. And the reason why I'm saying this is because at the end of the day, it's your reputation on the line. You are not just in it for the short game. You are in it to build a long-term business. And there's nothing that's more important than your online reputation. So you want to make sure that you're promoting valuable and quality-based products. The second thing about affiliate marketing is you've seen how these sales pages look. Now, a lot of people feel that they can just slapdash their affiliate links anywhere and get sales. These days, people are very cautious of what they purchase, and they want lots of information. In other words, you need to provide them with value. You need to give them more and more value so that they can know you, they can like you, they can trust you, and then eventually they will say, right, okay, I am happy to purchase from you. And it's all about building a relationship with your client before they buy from you. You know, and the other thing is, nobody likes to buy from a sleazy salesperson, so you shouldn't employ sleazy sales tactics in your business as well. And then the last thing I want to talk about is the traffic. You know, there are very mediocre traffic methods out there, and people will sign up to maybe a traffic source where you can promote your product on somebody else's email list and then expect to make sales. But these kind of traffic sources are low quality traffic sources, because first of all, that very same email list gets circulated to so many other marketers. So can you imagine if you are on the receiving end and if your name is on that email list, would you actually open up that email list? Now, all of these things that I talk to you about, I go into much more detail in my free 4-day video training courses, which you can access by simply clicking on the link below this video. So if you would like to take your business, online business future to a greater level, please go ahead and click on the link below and check out my training to help you get started to making real money online. Having said it, thank you so very much for joining me on this Digistore24 review. I hope that it has helped you out, and now that you have a better idea of what this affiliate network is all about. I'm looking forward to checking out in my next video, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that we can talk in my next video. Take care and wish you everything of the best in your online success. Goodbye.